Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting concept that is on how to calculate overtime in MS Excel. So this basically required whenever we have overtime in a company, wherein if employee is giving more than 9 hours to this shift, then definitely we'll calculate overtime for that. So if we want to do that, how we can do this? Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Also check out our playlist. You will find many videos that will help you cracking interview related to Six Sigma certification, team leader, trainers, operation manager, quality analyst, WFM analyst, SME roles and responsibilities, training roles and responsibilities. Many more videos are there, guys. Surely please check out and let me know if you have any concern. So let's see how we can calculate the overtime here. So basically we all know we all will do 9 hours of our shift. So basically I added the start time as 9 AM, just an example, and end time I added post considering if they have done any extra time or not. Let's see your example. Suppose the person Ajay did log out at 10 PM, which means 4 hours extra he given to the company. Here 8:30, which is 2 hours 30 minutes. It's 5 PM only because he did Sunil did 1 hour early logout. It's not overtime. Now how this time got calculated? It's quite easy, guys. The formula is very easy. So what we have to do here is we have to just minus end time minus start time. Okay, we'll do step by step. What we have to do is equal to bracket open, what is this, end time minus start time. This is done. Now add one more bracket, or else you can directly do minus. There is one function we have to use, that is time. In time you need to type 9. 9 is our shift, hours, minute, second. Okay, and close. That's it. Drag this formula to the last. Yes, it's copied to the last. Now what we have to do is select this particular cells, go to format, conditional formatting. I added two conditional formatting. One is if all these rows are greater than 0 0 0 0 0. If it is greater than 0 0, I need to get as green color, and if it is less than or equal to 0 0 0, so it's actually I typed here is 0 0 0. If it is less than or equal to 0 0, then I should get red. Okay, so this is the conditional format I have used and I got the answer. So in this way you can calculate the overtime, guys. So I hope this is very easy. Still have any doubt, let me know. I will help you in cracking the or your answers. Don't miss to share, subscribe the channel. Have a great day. Thanks a lot.